Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. At this basic grammar lesson, we will present about voice of verb. First, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Farah Rizky Aulia and my partner is Anis Khiliatunisa. In this chance, we would like to present about verb with active and passive voice. First, I want to explain to you about the definition and then active voice and passive voice. For the first is definition. What is voice of a verb? Voice is a form of verb text to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. Jadi, voice of a verb adalah kata kerja yang menunjukkan apakah subjek kata kerja tersebut melakukan atau menerima tindakan. There are two types of voice, that is active voice and passive voice. For the first type is active voice. What is active voice? Active voice means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. When the subject of a sentence performs that verb's action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Jadi, active voice adalah kalimat yang memiliki subjek yang bertindak atas kata kerjanya. The active voice makes the writing clear, concise, and direct. Jadi, active voice itu bisa digunakan untuk menulis dengan ringkas, jelas, dan lebih terfokus. For the example, Tinda washes her clothes every afternoon. Tinda as subject, washes as verb, and her clothes as object. In here, Tinda as subject perform the verb action that is washes. So, this sentence is active voice. And the second example is an ally has slain the Lord. An ally as subject, has slain as verb, and the Lord as object. Jadi di sini an ally sebagai subjek melakukan tindakan kerja yaitu has slain terhadap objek, yakni the Lord. Jadi kalimat ini dikatakan kalimat active voice. And then the second type is passive voice. What is a passive voice? Passive sentence is a sentence in which the subject is the receiver of action. Passive voice is used when the focus of the sentence is on the action and not the subject. Jadi, passive voice itu adalah kalimat yang subjeknya menjadi penerima tindakan. Passive voice biasanya digunakan ketika fokus kalimat adalah pada tindakan dan bukan pada subjek. For example, several generals were kidnapped and killed by PKI members on September 30th, 1965. Several generals are subject were kidnapped and killed as verb and by PKI members as object. Jadi, several generals sebagai subjek itu menerima tindakan atas kata kerja yaitu were kidnapped and killed. Jadi, kalimat ini merupakan kalimat passive voice. And then, when do we use passive voice? We use passive voice when we don't know what is the action. For example, my car was crashed. We don't know who crashed the car. Jadi, kita bisa menggunakan passive voice ketika kita tidak tahu the object. And then, when we want to emphasize the person or thing acted on. For the example, the lift is used frequently. Jadi, passive voice itu bisa digunakan ketika kita ingin menekankan atau berfokus pada seseorang ataupun sesuatu yang terjadi. Pada contoh kalimat ini, penulis menekankan pada makna bahwa liftnya sering digunakan, bukan pada siapa yang menggunakan lift tersebut. When we change the active sentence into passive sentence, we must follow 1. The subject of an active sentence becomes the object of passive sentence. Subjek pada kalimat aktif menjadi objek di kalimat pasif. In passive voice, sometimes the subject is not used. Jadi, pada passive voice, terkadang objek tidak digunakan. And then, change the base verb in the active sentence into the past participle. Jadi, mengubah base verb menjadi past participle atau verb 3. Then, the object of an active sentence becomes the subject of passive sentence, usually is preceded the preposition by. Jadi setelah subjek diubah menjadi objek pada passive voice, sebelum objek didahului dengan kata by. Next, use the suitable helping or auxiliary verb. Menggunakan kata bantu yang tepat. And last, the pronoun used in the sentence also change in the following manner. Jadi, jika ada kata ganti yang digunakan, maka akan berubah pada passive voice dengan beberapa aturan-aturan tertentu.
There are the manner of active voice pronoun and passive voice pronoun. I becomes me, she becomes her, he becomes him, they becomes them, we becomes us, you becomes you, and it becomes it. Berikut adalah manner dari kalimat aktif dan kalimat pasif. Kalimat aktif yaitu I menjadi me di dalam kalimat pasif, she jadi her, he jadi him, they jadi them, we jadi us, you jadi you, dan it jadi it. For the example, in the active voice, Aaron has got the kaitan. In the passive voice, the kaitan has been caught by Aaron. If we look at this example, the active voice, the object is there after the verb. In the passive voice, the object is there in the verb first of sentence, and don't forget to put word by before the subject. Dari contoh ini kita tahu objek yang di kalimat aktif diletakkan setelah verb, dan di pasif kita melihat objek berada di awal kalimat atau sebelum verb. Dan jangan lupa menambahkan kata by sebelum subjek tersebut. There are the some form of passive voice in some tenses. First, present simple. The form is to be, is are, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, reporters write new reports. Into passive voice, news reports are written by reporters. Number 2, present continuous. The form is to be, is are, past being, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the past active voice, Michael is picking a pony. And into passive voice, a pony is being picked by Michael. Number 3, past simple. The form is to be, was were, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, the company hired new workers last year. Into passive voice, new workers were hired by the company last year. And the last, past continuous. The form is to be, was, were, past being, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, she was not baking a cake. Into passive voice, a cake was not being baked by her. Next, present perfect. The form is have or has, past been, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, he has not thrown a cat. Into passive voice, a cat has not been thrown by him. Number 2, past perfect. The form is had been, past perfect or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, he had delivered the letters. Into passive voice, the letters has been delivered. And number 3, future simple. The form is will or shall be, past perfect, past participle. For the example, in the active voice, we will eat sushi. In the passive voice, sushi will be eaten by us. The form of infinitive, that to be, is, are, was, were, has, have, and had, plus to, plus be, plus for three, or past participle. For the example, in the active voice, I am to finish this homework. And for passive voice, this homework is to be finished by me. Next, modals. The form is subject plus modals plus be 40. Modals are will, can, might, must, would, should, could, and so on. For the example in the other voice, the team will celebrate their victory tomorrow, and the passive voice, the victory will be celebrated by the team tomorrow. Is there any question, guys? If you have the question, you can drop it in our WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching, everyone.